Hey everybody.
Hi guys.
We are going to take a ride on the Rowdy Bear Mountain Coaster in Gatlinburg. We're going to give you some POV footage here going up the mountain and take a ride on it. Let's see what you think. So we just finished with the Rowdy Bear Alpine Mountain Coaster here in Gatlinburg. What'd you think?
No brakes, it was fun.
No brakes, yeah, you got no brakes, just ride all the way down. Nice and fun, it was fast. I know a lot of people that when you watch the video, oh, it's so slow. Feels so much faster when you're on it versus watching the video.
Especially when you're going super fast, you think you're gonna fly off the rails.
It certainly was plenty of fun, and we had a good time with it. A little shorter than some of the other ones, but it was a good fun ride. So thanks for watching. Have you had any alpine coasters that you really liked in this area or somewhere else? We got 1 or 2 more alpine coasters coming up, and we also have the Smoky Mountain Alpine Coaster, which thanks to everybody who's watched that one. That's got over 1 million views. Watch some of those coaster rides as well. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. And remember, kids, have a good time all the time.